So, okay, stop your work and see here. So, good afternoon all again. And today we are going to perform our practical number 1, which is creating a simple table and inserting the data into the table. Right. So, in the last laboratory, we already seen the demonstration of Apex, that is the service or cloud service which is provided by Oracle, and we are going to use Apex Oracle for your practicals throughout the lab. Right. As today is the first lab, I will teach you how to create a simple table and how to insert the data. In the next practical, then we will learn how to play with the data. So the table that we are going to create is that are simple tables. We will not put any constraint in the table, simple table that we are going to create. Right. So I already uploaded this practical 1 in your Google Classroom. You need to download it. Right. So practical run first is create table, account. So you need to create a table called account. Right. Then these are the attributes, or you can say column name. Column name means account number, data type. So like C also, here also you need to specify the type of data. In the theory we have learned domain. So domain, which type of data are you going to store? So varchar2 is for alphanumeric data. Generally it's very popular and we are going to use it frequently. Varchar2 is the data type. And size, what is the length of the data that you are going to store in the field. So in the account number, name of the customer, city, balance, and whether the customer has taken the loan. Right. And these are the records that we need to insert. A001, name, city, balance, loan underscore taken, yes or no. Same second table is create table loan. Loan number, account number of the customer, because when you go to bank, if you want to open take a loan, you need to have account. Loan amount, what is the interest rate, date of loan, and how much loan is remaining. Data. These are the 3 records. Next, create table installment of the loan. So by this you can see that this is some banking related applications database. Loan number, installment date, and amount of the installment, because for every loan you need to pay some installments, and the data. Same for transaction. When you are in an account, you make the transaction from the account, debit or credit. So account number, transaction date, amount of transaction, type of transaction, means debit or credit, means debit or withdrawal. Sorry, deposit or withdrawal. And mode of payment, check or cash. This is the data. These we are not going to do it today. That I'll teach you in the next laboratory. So today what I will do, I will create 2 tables. I will teach you to insert the data. Rest of the 2 tables need to create by you at your own. So totally in today's lab you need to create 4 tables and insert the data. It's very simple, very simple. Got the point? Should we start? I'm waiting for the answer. Should we start? Still I am not hearing yes.
Yes, sir.
See, one more thing. When I am giving the demo, I don't want anyone to look here. You should look here. I am not going to repeat it. So you're all the don't look at the PC and don't try to do it parallelly. Just look here. Open Apex. So workspace name, username and password. So what I'm going to do, and I'm also insisting you, don't type directly query here. Rather than you type in the notepad and then you copy paste over there. What is the benefit that I'll tell you later on. Right. So to create a table, command is create table. Create table, name of the table. So our name of the table is account. Now this is case insensitive. If I write this or if I write this, both are same. Name of the table is inconsistent. Small table and capital table name are same. Create table account. Into bracket, now you need to specify name of the column. Now we'll see one by one. What is the first column name? Account and SCC underscore number. So SCC underscore number. And what is the data type? Varchar2. And what is the size in the bracket? You need to specify size. That's it. Like that, you need to specify all the columns name. Comma. Second column, name. Data type is varchar2. Size is 30. Third one is city, varchar2 20. City, varchar2 20. Balance. Now balance cannot be alphanumeric. Balance should always be numeric. So for that the data type is number. Number. In the size you need to specify two things. Now 10 is total length of the number, total length. And 2 is precision, it means after decimal, after dot. Like 99999999.99. Okay? And the last is loan underscore taken. Varchar2 5. Bracket over, and we have opened this bracket here, so we need to close this bracket here. Now Control A, Control C, Control V. Run. Table created. If you don't do it properly, means if there is a syntax error, then you will get error like syntax error or something error. Right? Now you cannot create table with the same name again. See, if I run it again, name is already used by existing object. So only one table of one name, because otherwise when you fetch the data, it will confuse from which table data to be fetched. Got it? Now, if you want to see whether my table is created successfully or not, there are two ways. One, this is the button Find Table here. If you open, then your table account that you have created, you click on the account, this is the table. Command is also there. You write DESC, describe, and table name, DESC. Okay. Ready? Now I have created the table. Now I need to insert the data. This row I need to insert. So for inserting, insert into name of the table, insert into account, values, insert into table name, insert into account, values. Bracket open. Now where you have used varchar2, you need to write the value in the double quotation marks. That means it will be considered as a string. Like if you enter 1, 2, 3, then it is not a numeric 1, 2, 3, but it's a string. That means you cannot perform any mathematical operation on the string. So first value is account number, which is A001. Sequence is important. If you first write name, Krunal Waghela, then your account number will be Krunal Waghela, because it will take the sequence in which you have created the table. And you have not kept any constraint for the now. We have not specified any rules. So any value you can enter. So sequence is important. Name is Patel Jigar, comma, double quote. Not double quote, actually, sorry. It should be single quote. Single quote. Single quote. Next. City is Mehsana. Balance. Now balance is numeric value, so no need for quote. 50,000. No need for quote. And loan taken, yes. Bracket O. Control C. Control V. One row inserted. Right. Now what is the benefit? Now insert it to account as it is. We need not to write it again. Now second row is account number A002, Patel Ramesh Mehsana. So A002, Patel Jigar Nai, Patel Ramesh. Mehsana as it is. Account balance as it is. Yes, as it is. Right. Direct copy. Paste. One row inserted. Last time. A003 Dave Marmik Ahmedabad 75,000. No. A003. Don't worry, I'll put this in the chat. Dave Marmik. City is Ahmedabad. Balance is 75,000. Answer is no. One row inserted. Ready? Now if you want to see this select query, I'll explain you in the detail in the next lab. But just to verify whether your data is updated or not, select star. Star means everything. From name of the table. Select star from account. Now sequence doesn't matter, it can be displayed in the any sequence. Ready? Okay. So one more table I'll create, loan. So I'll copy this in the chat so you can have the idea. We cannot insert multiple values at once. So next table is loan. Why I am doing this? Because there is one new data type called date. That's why. Again, create table loan fields loan underscore number where care 2 5. मुझे सब ऐसा ही I can remember everything. SCC underscore number where care 2 5. Loan amount number, loan amount number, n comma 2, interest rate number 5 comma 2, interest underscore rate number, because interest rate cannot be alphanumeric. Loan underscore date. Now the data type is date. When you want to enter the date, you need to specify data type date and no need to specify the size. Default is YYYY. You can change also format YYYY, but that will do it later on. But default format is YYYY. So date, no need to specify size. Remaining loan number 10 comma 2. Bracket over, bracket over. Yeah. This. Phi is the size, total size. You cannot enter the number more than 5 digits. Control C. I think I have explained this. HANA, varchar 2 is the data type and 30 is the size. That means total your field should be 30 character long. You cannot enter more than 31 character in your name. For example, if size is 30, you cannot enter the name more than which is more than 30 characters. 31 characters are not allowed. This is the meaning. Run. Table created. Right, again you see the find table, you will see the two tables. Now let me, I will insert one record. Insert into loan values. Now let's see the value. L001, A001, 1 lakh. L001, A001, 1 lakh. Interest rate 7. So you need to enter MMDD. 1st January means 01/01/2004. In date also you need to enclose in single quote 01/01/2004. And 75,000. One row inserted. And let's see whether it is inserted or not. Right? Can you do it? All the 4 tables, very easy. I have uploaded in the Google Classroom and I have also already invited. You must have received invitation on your classroom. Let me show you. So you need to go to classwork. I have uploaded how to create Apex login, then database management ebook, and I have uploaded practical number 1. Go to practical 1 and you can find the PDF. Okay? Everyone, okay? Do it. So any doubt, student who are online, any query? Okay.